Here, in making liquid soap, I'm adding my potassium hydroxide to the water. In making liquid soap, you add potassium hydroxide caustic instead of sodium hydroxide caustic. Sodium hydroxide is a salt that hardens the bar soaps. Here I'm mixing all my melted oils and butters, and now add in my diluted potassium hydroxide to the oils to begin that amazing process of making liquid soap. Watch as this miraculous emulsion process begins. The emulsion process is now completed, meaning my oils and water will not separate. Now it's ready to be cooked between 3 to 6 hours. Many people prefer to use liquid soaps because they don't have to touch it, so it reduces exchange of germs between users. It never gets mushy, and it's gentler on the skin. Every 30 minutes or so, I come back and stir it to make sure everything is cooking well. I love to watch the process when I'm making liquid soap. The chemistry involved is fascinating. It involves a little bit more advanced soap making skills to make liquid soap, but as usual, practice becomes perfect. In making this liquid soap, I use olive oil, coconut oil, castor oil, and the ever-popular shea butter. When making bar soap, this would be the final process. But in making liquid soap, the paste you see right here has to be fully cooked, then become liquefied by adding boiling hot water. It's time to cover the soap and allow it to cook for quite a few hours. Now the soap is already cooked, the boiling hot water poured all over it, and it's taking some time to be completely melted and liquefied. I'm breaking up the soap to speed up the melting process. The soap looks translucent, just like Vaseline. This is when you know it's completely cooked and ready to be diluted. The dilution process is almost completed. It's looking great and I'm very pleased. The soap is a bit cloudy because the shea butter does not completely saponify, meaning there are components in the shea butter that doesn't completely turn into soap. Those components are left in the final product, which benefits hair or skin, and that's a good thing. Finally, I'm pouring into the bottle clear natural liquid soap. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell where you'll be notified when I upload new videos.